We're gonna build music for you. Tapos, sasayaw lang kayo habang naglalakad, okay? Lahat-lahat lang paikot-ikot. O, sige, practice nga. Lakad tayo. Lakad. Practice. Lakad. Ayan, magmamagka kayo. Pag ito, yan, okay? Sige, ready? Lakad yan. Tapos, pag tumigil yung music, begin, and then you need to pick one blanket, and you need to hide under it. Magtatago kayo. You can, but the thing is, you can share it with your friends. Pwede kayo mamili kung sino gusto nyo kasama under the blanket. But, remember, you need to share, alright? Now, pagkatapos no, bibili kami ng isang blanket na mahal sa game, alright? And if your blanket happens to be the one chosen, you're gonna be sitting down for a while. But don't worry, bibigyan naman namin kayo ng consolation prize. And though maybe one or two boys standing will get a grand prize. Okay, ready? Alright, ready, let's go! Ready, music please! Oh, sige. I want everybody to jump! Talong! You go up! Jump high! Oh, wala pa ha? Pag tumigil yung music ng apat minute, let's go! Jump! Come on! Alright, get a blanket! Oh, get a blanket. Remember, you can share with your friends. Share, remember. Share. Dapat hindi ko kayo nakikita. Okay. Sige, ready? Can we get a volunteer? Oh, sige, we have red, blue, and green blanket. Di ba nakikita ka na magtaguan? Okay, can we get a volunteer? O yan, sige, si Daddy muna. Daddy, can you please get one? Thank you and goodbye sa kids na nasa red blanket! Oh, too bad. Sorry. Upo muna. Okay. Sige, don't worry. Okay, next week tayo. Don't worry. Hindi na rin yan.
Bakit red ka rin? Doon ka doon. Kasama ka, hindi ka naman red eh.
Oo, hindi ka nasa red.
Ayan, hindi na. Ready? Ayan, ready? Music, please. Get it now. Hindi nga yung pinakamagaling magaling ng party. Go! Come on! Yung pinakamagaling magaling ng bibigyan ko ng prize. Come on! Oh, very good. Okay, get a blanket right now. Ayan, so wala na blue, nagbago isip.
Ito na yung blue.
Sino ng blue? Okay. Can we get a volunteer? Another volunteer? Si Tita.
Romaine. Si Romaine.
Yeah, sige. Tita, careful! Power, nasa red na naman! Oh no! Sorry! Si Tita, tatlo. Okay, ready? Let's go! Come on!
Go ba?
Check.
Go ba? Sali ka ba?
Come on! Pwede ako ng prize. Bibigyan natin yung pinakamagaling magchacha. Yeah, okay. Bigyan mo ng prize yung magaling magchacha. Bigyan natin ng prize. Okay, sige. Get a blanket. Pagbibigyan ako ng prize sa pinakamagaling magsayaw. Thank you. Sige, ready? Okay, we get another volunteer. Si Tita. Si Tita yung may magandang necklace. Thank you, Tita. Thank you and goodbye sa kids na nasa. Morning, Tita. Green blanket! So, dalawa na. Sige. Okay, sige. Teka muna, kuya. Kuha mo na. Bigyan natin ng consolation prize. Ayan. Get a consolation prize. Thank you. Tsaka si kuya. Bigyan ng prize. Nag-enjoy mo naman siya. Sayang. Sige. Okay. Sige. Ready? Music, please. Come on, sayaw. Ay, hindi pa naman siya.
Sayaw.
Mamaya, yung pinakamagaling magchacha, bibigyan natin ng prize. Ayan, pwede na kayong tig-isa ha, tig-isa, pwede na. Isang blue o isang, ayan, very good. Ayan. So, it's just gonna be green or red. Okay, green or red. Sige, sino naman? Kaya si Tita yung may magandang watch. Kasi lahat kayo naka-red, hindi ko masabi yung naka-red. Thank you, Idol. Okay. Ay, blue. Okay, Tita, wait lang. Oh, sige. This time, kung sino yung mabubunot mo, yun yung winner. Yan, para swerte. Alright, congratulations to the kid under the green blanket! Congratulations! Alright, bigyan ng prize. Come on, give him a prize. Pili, ayan, we'll give him the chance to pick his prize. Kahit ano dyan. Siyempre, si Ate Rin will also get a prize. Please get a prize. Ayan, sino nung ang dami ng prize? Sino gusto mag-win ng maraming prize? Everybody back here, come on, balik. May chance po ulit. You guys will still have the chance to get a prize. Ayan. Very good. Okay, now this time we will need adult supervision. Yung help ng mga adults. Come on.
Opo ka na nakuha, sige.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Doors to, ha? O, sing ka ulit.
Okay. Daddy, we will need, yung help ng mga adults. Tatlo. Pwede ba tayo? Okay, tita, kahit yung dalawa. Sino pwede natin tawagin? Adult.
May ano ka, sabi ka, adult tsaka ano.
O, tita, sali ka para may prize yan. Dali.
Dali, alika tayong dalawa.
O yan. Dito, para pag ano. Sino pa? Adult.
O, sama ka po. Kayo dalawa.
Ayan, o, sino pa? Dalawa. Si tita, yung nakaside. Come on, tita, please help. Help tayo dito, dear Mary. Tsaka si tita Kaisa. Let's go.
Sino po yung kasama niyo?
Pagtulong naman po, please. Tutulungan niyo lang kami. Sige na, please. Thank you. Okay.
Cynthia!
Dalawa na. O, tita, doon ka sa kabilang.
Cynthia!
Yan.
Cynthia, sama ka tsaka yung ano, kit mo. Sama ka. Ha? Di, sa likod ka lang ng sa likod ka lang ng anak mo. Sa likod ka lang ng anak mo.
Ang natin na yung mga kids natin. Come on, Marcus. Lana. Come
Good.
here.
Tsaka yung kid mo, para makasali siya.
Yan. Ayan, o, tatlo na dyan. Tito, kami ka na dito. Dali, para may chance. Ayan, okay na, coach. Kompleto na, tatlo na. Okay. O, sige, Daisy, pakihakin yung mga kids. Natin yung mga kids. Meron na tayo tatlong coaches per group.
Sama kong baby.
Ayan, yung kabila.